I was really hungry at lunchtime today, but there was almost nothing in the fridge. I found some bread, leftover chicken from last night, and a little bit of mayo. So I just put it all together and made a sandwich. It wasn't fancy, but it hit the spot.
What's the speaker mainly talking about?
This morning I spent 20 minutes trying to decide what to wear. I had a meeting at work, so I wanted to look professional. I tried on 3 different shirts, blue, white, and gray. I chose the white one in the end, but when I got to work, my colleague was wearing the exact same shirt. Not ideal.
So how many shirts did she try on? I went to the pharmacy yesterday to pick up some medicine for my cold. The pharmacist asked me a few questions, then I waited about 10 minutes. While I was there, I also bought some vitamins and a box of tissues. I thought about getting some shampoo too, but I decided to leave it for another day. What did the speaker not buy at the pharmacy?
My friend called me this afternoon with some really exciting news. She got a new job, more money, better hours, and closer to her house. We talked for almost an hour. I forgot I was supposed to make dinner. When I finally hung up, it was already 8 o'clock. But good news is always worth it.
What's this listening mainly about?
After dinner last night, I cleaned the kitchen. I washed all the dishes, wiped the counter, and swept the floor. It took me about 30 minutes. My wife offered to help, but I said it was fine. When I finished, I made a cup of tea and sat down to watch TV. It was a quiet, nice evening.
What did his wife offer to do?